Bitcoin historically was a huge contributor to your returns, and I know you're still bullish on it because ARK recently published two very favorable white papers on Bitcoin. But so far as I can tell, there has been no Bitcoin in the ARK Innovation ETF for more than a year and a half. How come?
Yes, well, we put it in at a 1% position in 2015 when Bitcoin was $250. And we scaled with it. We didn't sell it at all. So it hit 10% of the portfolio, at which point we were forced to sell. And at the same time, there was some forking taking place. So we were getting distributions. And what we learned is that Bitcoin threw off what's called unqualified income, which is not illegal, but from an IRS point of view, if our portfolios generate more than 10% of gross profits in unqualified income, which is usually commodity-like income, the IRS allows that 10% and then will confiscate the rest of it. So if we moved into a black swan event where the equity markets imploded and Bitcoin took off, our clients would be able to keep only 10% of that gain. And we just thought this was too much of a risk from a fiduciary point of view to subject our investors to. So what we did is we moved out of it in early 18, better lucky than smart, because of course we went from $20,000 down to, at the end of 17, down to below 4,000 earlier this year. In our fully discretionary portfolios, where we are not subjected to the 40 Act rules of the SEC, our Bitcoin position is about 7% right now. So that is how optimistic we are on it.
And it's once again flirting with $20,000. Can you put a price on your level of bullishness?
We are extremely bullish. Our confidence in it has gone up since 2017, because what we saw as it dropped from 20,000 to below 4,000, it actually got well into the threes, I think in 2019, was that Bitcoin's share of the crypto asset ecosystem moved from the low 30% range in terms of value, network values, into the low 70% range. And what did that tell us? That confirmed in our mind that Bitcoin is the reserve currency of the crypto asset ecosystem. So it is the reserve cryptocurrency, which is a very important role. It's the flight to safety currency. It is Bitcoin's technology, or Bitcoin's blockchain, is the most secure of any other blockchain. And so it makes sense that Bitcoin would be the reserve currency of the crypto asset ecosystem.
Kathy, in